Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the TV4 Play app to your Android TV without Google Play Store. Find the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So I'm going to install the application even though I don't have Google Play Store, and I'm going to use my browser. This can work with any browser. The process is simple. Come out to your browser, and on the search box you're going to type in the application that you want to install, which in this case is the TV4 Play. So I'm going to type in this. I'm not going to take a lot of time because it's already in my search box. I'm going to type in TV4 Play app. And as you search, these are results you are going to get. The first option is from the web version of Google Play, which you can use to install the application without any issues. You can just install the application here. As you can see, I can install the application here. But if this doesn't work for some reason, I can come over to other options like a third-party site like this, and I click on this over here and I install the application from a third-party site. But the best option is you using the Google Play option, which is easy and it works perfectly on Android TV. As you can see, it has installed already to my Android TV, and I can go ahead and use the application without any issues. So if you find the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this.